Welcome to the Springs, and this is Springs 14, where I have just taken on a fabulous renovation project. So check here on the videos before. I have an amazing 3-bedroom plus study townhouse here in Springs 14, and the price is amazing at 3.65 million. It's a true renovation project, but it has a really nice established garden, and so I thought I would just do this little video as a follow-on, really, to just show you how does the community look. So it is townhouses. So this is the original EMA, like living area, shall we say, Emirates Living, and they did Springs as townhouses, and then they did Meadows as detached villas. So that's the difference between the Springs and the Meadows. So these are the townhouses, and then obviously, you know, they started building Arabian ranches after that. So this is all by EMA. What I love about EMA is the community feel. They're very good at the community area, the swimming pool, the footpath. I mean, you can see straight ahead there. There's like little, can you see there's little like walkways that you can go through the houses to get to other areas quicker. So let's just take a little drive through here, and on our left, just want to show you what a community park looks like for EMA. So in there you've got the kids swings, you've got the swimming pool, you've got an outdoor gym, and you've got a basketball court, and it's just a really nice established park there for all the residents. And then if we come on back here and carry on driving for a little bit, just to give you a feel for, you know, the garages here are all open. So they are 2-car garages, and we are just in Springs 14. What I love is we're just across the road from the Meadows Souk and the Meadows shopping area. And then you've got the British school close by. So, you know, most people that are buying in the Springs, it's all about the proximity to the schools. So you don't have the large school run. You're not hanging out in your car for hours and hours in traffic in the mornings. That's a massive factor now for where people are choosing to live. And in fact, if you are going to be WhatsApping me to help you find your home, it's a good idea to have a think about the schooling for your children, if you have children, because that literally is the number one factor my clients always bear in mind and need to bear in mind before they're starting to choose which community. Because, you know, it's all very well finding the house you like, and then you want your children to be at a French school which is 40 minutes drive. It's just not practical. So anyway, just really check out the description below in my video, and you'll see my WhatsApp number. You'll see all the details here about the Springs. So they're all townhouse communities, different communities offer different things, but this specifically is Springs 14. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, that way you'll never miss a future video again. Take care.